Hey YouTube, welcome to my video on ClickFunnels Black Friday deals for 2019. Now there's quite a few people wondering if there's going to be a Black Friday deal for ClickFunnels this year. It's not known exactly yet if it's going to be so, but it very well may be. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the link to this blog post below this video, and I'm going to update it with all the information as and when it comes out about any deals that may be coming for ClickFunnels. So you can keep an eye on that page to see the latest info as I hear about it updated on that post below this video. Now with ClickFunnels there are a couple of fantastic deals that you can currently get. I mean, at the moment ClickFunnels, the standard plan is $97 per month for the standard, and then the Edison suite, which is the full suite, is $297 per month. However, there is a secret plan of being able to get ClickFunnels for $19 per month. But that's on it's got limited functionality, but you certainly can get a $19 per month plan. Now again, I'm going to put the link to more information about the $19 a month plan also below this video. So if you can't wait for Black Friday, or you've missed it and you want to try ClickFunnels for $19 per month, then the link to find out exactly how you can do that is also below this video. And now the other best deal that I would say that's available for ClickFunnels at the moment is this Funnel Builder Secrets package that's recently been made available to everybody. Now with the Funnel Builder Secrets package, what you get is either 6 months or 12 months of access to the full ClickFunnels suite, and then you also get access to these 3 training courses. There's Funnel Hacks Masterclass, Funnel Builder Secrets, and Traffic Secrets membership. They're 3 different courses, and really fantastic training. I did buy Funnel Builder Secrets myself, and the training is extensive and very, very good. I'll also put the link below this video to my detailed video on Funnel Builder Secrets, and in my Funnel Builder Secrets video I actually show you inside each of my accounts as well, so you can see exactly what you'll be getting if you choose to purchase this. You also get access 12 months for funnel scripts, and you get unlimited funnel bonuses, which means that if you sign up for ClickFunnels with Funnel Builder Secrets, or even if you've already got ClickFunnels but you buy Funnel Builder Secrets, you get upgraded to all of this, and you'll be able to make or create unlimited amount of funnels as well in your account. Okay, so they're currently the best deals available on ClickFunnels at the moment. But as I said before, click this link below. Keep an eye on this article. I'll update it as and when I find out latest information on what Black Friday deals are coming. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. Bye for now.